Welcome back to our SQL video series. In this episode, we are diving deep into the world of SQL operators, a crucial aspect of database querying. We will explore every type of operator, dissecting their roles and providing real-world examples to help you grasp their power. Let's get started. SQL operators are essential tools for manipulating and querying data in your database. They fall into several categories, each with its unique purpose, such as arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, membership operators, etc. First, let's start with arithmetic operators. These include plus sign used for addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, forward slash used for division, and percent used for modulus. You can use these to perform calculations within SQL queries, as shown here. Next up, comparison operators. These include is equal to, less than, greater than, less than and equal to, greater than and equal to, less than and greater than together denoted as not equal to or exclamation and is equal to together denoted as not equal. They allow you to compare values and determine if they meet specific conditions. Logical operators come in two parts. Part 1 includes and, or, and not. They enable you to combine conditions to filter data effectively. Continuing with logical operators, Part 2 introduces between, in, like, and is null. These operators help you handle more complex conditions. Bitwise operators, such as and denotes bitwise and pipe symbol is used for bitwise or caret or circumflex is used as bitwise XOR, that is exclusive or tilde as bitwise not, double greater than used for shift right and double less than used for shift left are used for binary operations. They are valuable for managing binary data. Assignment operators like is equal to, colon and is equal to together allow you to assign values to variables within SQL queries. They are handy for temporary storage of information. Membership operators, in and not in, help you check if a value exists within a specified set of values, simplifying data filtering. Understanding operator precedence is crucial. Certain operators take precedence over others, affecting the order of evaluation in your queries. This specifies the order in which operators are evaluated when two or more operators with different precedence are adjacent in an expression. As shown in the example, similar to math's rule of BODMAS. And that's a wrap for today. We have explored every type of SQL operator, from arithmetic to logical. With this knowledge, you are well on your way to becoming a SQL master. Let me know in comments if you want separate video on any of these operators with more explanation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SQL insights. Thank you for joining us in this SQL operators journey. Stay tuned for more tutorials and stay curious. Happy querying!